To use Cash App for direct deposit, you will need to set up your account and provide your employer with the necessary information. First, download and install the Cash App on your mobile device and create an account if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Banking tab and select Direct Deposit. You will then be prompted to enable direct deposit, which will require you to provide some personal and employment information. This includes your name, date of birth, social security number, and employer details. After submitting this information, you will be given a routing and account number that you will need to provide to your employer. When providing this information to your employer, make sure to include the routing number and your account number, as well as the type of account you are using, which in this case is a checking account. It is also important to note that it may take 1 to 2 pay periods for direct deposit to become active, so be patient and allow time for the changes to take effect. Using Cash App for direct deposit can be a convenient and efficient way to receive your paycheck, and it can also provide you with access to a range of other financial tools and services. For example, you can use the Cash App to send and receive money, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and even get a debit card that is linked to your account. To get the most out of using Cash App for direct deposit, make sure to review and understand the terms and conditions of the service, including any fees that may apply. It is also a good idea to set up notifications and alerts so that you can stay on top of your account activity and balance. Overall, using Cash App for direct deposit is a relatively straightforward process that can help you to streamline your finances and stay on top of your money. By following these steps and taking the time to understand how the service works, you can make the most of this convenient and flexible payment option.